swapping. And now I'll just turn it over to Tejas, who's down in the DBF R&D facility, who will now give us a walkthrough of the new DBF platform.
Thank you, Sejal. Can everyone see my screen? Okay. So, hi guys, I'm Tejas, and I'm super excited to show you all the new features in DBF today. I'm going to start with a project in New York where I will show you how I can design a building. So in a dense neighborhood like Manhattan with many building codes, I can use the Leviathan AI over here, which is activated to design and explore a variety of building configurations. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on a setback regulation that I have. So it's this volume over here, and I will use that for generation. So that is the input that goes into my Leviathan AI. And any design I generate, it will respect this setback regulation. So when I press play, it will start generating a variety of design combinations based on my chosen typologies or design rules. So I can generate a variety of designs very, very quickly. I can save them, I can compare them, and even fine tune them in DBF. But that's not all. I would want to analyze the designs that I create. And I would have a lot of factors I want to use for my analysis. At the very base level, I want to see all my metrics. So any design I generate, I get real-time updates on metrics of that design over here. So I can see my areas, my site coverage, my heights of the building. Everything gets updated in real time. I can also perform different types of sustainability analysis. I want to see how my design is performing. And to do that, DBF offers me a variety of analysis, such as CFD and also sun hour analysis. I'm going to show you how we can run that. So let's say if I have this building, to turn on my CFD analysis, I can simply go to the sustainability tab and click on CFD analysis. And it will take the design that I'm working with currently and perform CFD analysis on it. How does it do that? So in DBF, we are using machine learning surrogate models to provide rapid CFD analysis. So that means all the analysis or simulations that happen, they happen on the fly. So as you saw, the design that I have created, by clicking a button, I'm able to see how it is performing in terms of CFD. Of course, this is just one of the analysis available in DBF. I'm going to stop this analysis now. But analysis and generations are not the only things available within DBF. What I can also do is I can export a variety of things from DBF. One such thing is renders. So a real-time rendering machine is available within DBF. And with it, I can create visuals easily like this. So the different designs I generate, I can render within the platform itself and I export visuals. This helps me communicate my designs in a very powerful manner. Okay, so next, I showed you the Leviathan AI, but different companies and markets require different types of AI. Now I'm designing in New York, but maybe next time I'm designing a master plan somewhere else in the world. So for that, what I can do is I can switch between different AI. As Sejal was mentioning, I can hot swap. So let's say if I'm working on a large project of 20 hectares, I can hot swap to the Vikings AI by clicking on this button. So from Leviathan, it has now switched to Viking. And of course, I don't need a master planning scale. I can still generate in New York as well. But let me show you how I can generate in a master plan level. So I'm going to switch to another project, which I have open here. And using the Vikings AI, I have created a variety of design combinations at a master plan level. So as I was mentioning, the Viking AI is able to generate a lot of different designs very quickly at a low level of detail, but it is able to populate entire districts with ease. So I can simply specify what my design rules or typologies are, and it will populate my master plans easily. What we can also see in this view is that my colleague Naomi is also sharing this project with me. So she is designing as well. So DBF embraces collaboration at its heart, and we understand that you want to exchange ideas, you want to work with colleagues. So I can share my project with my colleagues and we can work on it together. Various multiplayer features are available within DBF, such as commenting. So let's say if I want to make certain changes to this particular design, I can easily tag my colleagues and give comments for this particular design. So let's say, can we have views to the park? So very easily we can comment and share our projects and work collaboratively. But that's not all. So from here, let's say if I want to go to one level deeper, I looked at the architectural scale, but now I want to look at a layout scale or a plan scale. So DBF is transscalar. So it allows you to jump into a level deeper, and I can go to the layout scale. So here I can easily populate my designs with specific components. So be it rooms, cores, and so on, even things such as doors and so on. So very easily it is able to populate with a catalog of components. And with that, I can get estimates on my cost and other metrics. So with that, I can very easily jumpstart my BIM process. DBF also enables me to understand the citywide and neighborhood context. So let's say if I have this particular project, I have it in a play environment, but let's say if I want to take it back to that urban environment, I can actually move it to the map scale. So this project I have brought over to this map scale, and I can see how it is sitting within the city. And I can perform a variety of urban analysis on my project. So let's take a look at one such analysis, which is the 15-minute city analysis. So to do so, I can click on this Urban Insights button, and I can toggle through a variety of different analysis, such as what is the fulfillment score? What is the walkability like? What is the diversity with and without this design? What is the density like? And so on. So this is a very interactive way of understanding how a design is performing within the city, and also to understand how the city was performing before our intervention. So with that, I pass the time to Sejal, who will be sharing a bit more about this feature shortly.